everyone, good morning. I'm Rizal from Coco Glow Natural. Thank you for having me here. For your store looking for amazing as well.
Hi Zed, thanks for coming. Coco Glow, right?
Yes,
I've heard the name around the social media.
I actually saw your last post. There's a picture and natural skincare product. And so that mean for you, our follower, we're asking about local brand that why told you this would be perfect time to introduce Coco Glow.
You're right, a lot of customers are looking for natural and local options these days.
Actually, Coco Glow is 100% natural. That cold process, that coconut oil, skincare product is made from in Bukidnon, which is mean we're supporting our farmer and reducing import costs. Our current partner in store say is become one of their top seller in just 1 week. So especially for customer will receiving skin for those shipping or to origin beauty product.
Well, that sounds promising, but imported brands still have that luxury appeal. How does Coco Glow compete with that?
I understand and we told about that. Coco Glow come in eco-friendly and entire packaging is with your premium aesthetic plus with imported brand they always restore with guaranteed weekly delivering and hand-on service is local luxury with faster service and better margin for your store.
What if doesn't sell well? I'm cautious about trying new product these days.
Totally aware that we why we should offer flexible first time deal. We started to offer with just 20 bottle on 2 weeks and consider other basis if there do not sell, you can return to unsold stock and no penalty. But based on your current client feedback and with confident you'll be asking more of the product.
Okay, that sounds fair. Let's try it. Can you deliver by next week?
Yes, I will deliver first bottle by Thursday morning. That been marketing prior and ship back to also check back in 2 weeks for your feedback. Thank you, Miss Kim, and also is excited for Coco Glow to shine and greater habit.
Thank you too, Zel. Looking forward to it.